There is a massive AI infrastructure announcement grabbing headlines today, and the numbers are almost hard to fathom. If you love staying updated on the world's biggest tech moves, remember to like, share, and subscribe. With that, let's get right into it. OpenAI has officially raised its projected cloud and computing spending to a staggering $750 billion through 2030. That's a 25% increase from its $600 billion projection earlier this year. A commitment roughly equivalent to the entire annual GDP of Sweden. A major driver behind this budget spike is a planned $30 billion AI data center campus in Georgia. This single flagship facility is slated to draw up to 3.2 gigawatts of power to support the relentless training and inference demands of OpenAI's next generation models. Now, this aggressive bump in capital expenditure highlights how central compute capacity has become to OpenAI's long-term survival and growth. As frontier models require exponentially more horsepower, securing land, energy grids, and server infrastructure through the end of the decade has become the company's single highest priority now. Here, of course, is the front page take on it. OpenAI is placing a monumental, a massive bet that compute dominance will translate directly into market supremacy. But committing $750 billion creates an unprecedented financial burden. So here's a question for you all. As AI Lab spends hundreds of billions on physical infrastructure ahead of revenue, is this front-loaded capital cycle a visionary land grab or an unsustainable spending spree that will test the limits of AI monetization? Let us know what you think in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by AIM Network. Like, share and subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.